So I got this boxing set, this punching bag for kids, which comes with these two small little gloves. It comes with the pump to blow it up and the punching bag itself. And it also comes with two little patches in case it gets rips or holes in it, you could patch it up. So let's go ahead and blow this up. So it has 4 steps. Step 1, you add the water here. I didn't put water just so I could show you guys, so it's air right now. Step 2, you blow up the remaining amount with air. So there's water and air in the base. Step 3, you put air here, and step 4. So there you have it. Step 1, the water. Step 2, the air. Step 3, the air. Step 4, the air. And then you get this, which is a pretty good size little punching bag. Oh, this hand. Put it aquí. All right. Okay. Pow pow. Whoa! Ready, go.
Here.
Whoa! Hit it again.
Here.
Again.
Here.
Wow.
Here. Here. Here.